So today we are going to make a mango mojito. By the way, you are thinking what I am doing in Cocktails India and where is Dada Bartender? It is such a beautiful color, green, orange, white. Fingers crossed. Let me see. Dada, please.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfectly balanced mocktail.
Hi, this is Madhusatta and I am a yoga teacher by profession. And every day after my classes and after my practice and even after the events, I feel like hydrating myself with something very, very nutritious, healthy, yet tasty. So let's see what I can make for myself today so that I can introduce those in my sessions also and my events also. So come with me, let's check what we are making today. Hello and welcome back to Cocktails India. So now that I have finished with my yoga practice for the day, I am going to make something healthy, a healthy mocktail for myself. And as we all know that yoga is all about connecting with nature, I have picked up something which is very seasonal because seasonal means healthy. And that for the Indian summers is mango. So today we are going to make a mango mojito. So I have taken some chunks of mango, like you can see. I'll just pour it in the glass. And we have taken some fresh mint. We are adding some chunks of lime. And now I'll just gently muddle all of this, mash all of this. So, by the way, you are thinking what I am doing in Cocktails India and where is Dada Bartender? So, today I have asked Dada Bartender that I will make something for him and then he will get to taste it. So let's see if he likes what I made. So now I'll just add a drizzle of honey to this. So this you can add according to your taste. You can add some mishri or jaggery too if you want. Okay, and now I'll just top it up with some crushed ice. So we can see it's already such a beautiful color, green, orange, white. And now I'll just top it up with some soda. You can add some water also if you are not fond of soda. So I'll just go fetch the soda and come back. So I got the soda and I'll just top it up with the soda. Now we'll just stir it a bit. So the ingredients gets mixed up properly. Yes. I guess I'm done. So I think I need a bit more soda because I don't like a partially filled glass. Yes, this looks better. I'll add some mint, more mint for garnishing. Yes, this looks pretty amazing. The straw is in and now I'll see if Dada liked what I made. Dada, where are you?
I am coming. Hello everyone.
And this is what I have made for Dada. Let's see. He needs to certify, yeah.
Definitely. My position is over there, so please come.
Okay.
Come.
Fingers crossed. Let me see. Dada, please taste.
Sure. First of all, looking wow. I mean, it's fantastic the way you made it.
Thank you
and
so much.
without my, help, how it is possible? How you can make it? So you already study hard. I mean,
because I follow your channel and I know how you like it.
Fantastic. So mocktail, I mostly, do not make it in my channel. But yeah, today I got inspired by you because the way you presented yoga and everything.
Thank
So
you.
it's ultimately goes with mocktail only, I believe. No. So yeah. So let me check first. You have got your straw, I think.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfectly balanced mocktail. Check.
So
I'm sure there are a lot of mint. There's a lot of mango, and so very interesting. I mean,
It's refreshing as well as very, very healthy.
very refreshing. So, Madhusatta, what do you do? Just tell me in front of our
So,
guest.
I'm a yoga teacher by profession,
Right.
and so I have a pretty interesting career, I will say. So, I am a yoga teacher by the day and a healthcare IT professional by night. I work in medical transcription for US doctors. So, I work round the clock, you can say. So, I need such healthy drinks to keep myself hydrated and replenished.
Good. So yeah, so if you want to follow Madhusatta, then I am sharing his Instagram ID, and she also a podcaster. She is doing a lot of podcast
Right.
things.
So my
Yeah.
Instagram ID is grab your mat, and I am a volunteer with studygeeta.in, where we spread the message that Gita is a manual for life, and the podcast name is OMG Oh My Gita.
Fantastic. So many things to learn. When I met with Madhusatta, I come to know so many things about Gita, and so it's a very good story actually.
So I actually took Dada from a different spiritual world to another spiritual
Correct.
world. Yeah, so
Correct.
that it completes
That's
a
very-
360 degree of spirituality.
So thank you so much friends, thank you so much for watching this video. बहुत जल्द आप लोगों के साथ मिलेंगे. I think मधुसत्ता के साथ फिर मिलेंगे और एक नए एपिसोड के साथ. And you already planned one beautiful drink, coconut water,
Yes,
chia
coconut
seed.
water, chia seed.
Okay, so in the upcoming video, there would be another fantastic mocktail video once again. Mocktail video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos. मिलेंगे बहुत जल्द एक interesting mocktail के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर. प्लीज ड्रिंक रिस्पॉन्सिबली एंड डोंट ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव. हम लोग ना लास्ट में एक बात बोलते हैं जब भी हम लोग फिनिश करते हैं.
Right.
सो यू नो व्हाट वी एक्चुअली शाउट टुगेदर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा. जय हो. सो लेट्स 1 2 3 जय हो.
Jai Ho.